Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build-A-Cross, and today I want to show you how I paint this Paint by Line turkey. I'm going to go in first and I'm going to base coat his body with the color Putty. And every paint color I use in this video will be Dixie Belle chalk paint, which can be purchased on our website. You can also purchase this cutout and the brushes I use all at buildacross.com. And then I did go in and paint his feathers and his nose in the color Terracotta, Barn Red, and Colonel Mustard. And then after that dries, I'm going in with a Sharpie brushstroke marker and outlining everything. And I'm also going to use a Sharpie marker to go in on his stomach and do a little swirly line. I just like the little added detail for this. And then I'm going to go in with a number 4 round in the color Cotton, and I'm going to highlight everything. So I'm just going to highlight the little curve wave line on his stomach. And then I'm going to highlight each of his feathers. I'm going to highlight his beak and his face a little bit, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.